You don't like me very much, do you?
No, Jerry, it's not you specifically. It's just
She
people
wants
like
that
you, that's
straw.
Ah, you're pretty good. Thing is, I'm not a freak.
That's right. That's X. Sometimes we have to learn close.
Okay.
There's a lot of people. This is the more part. This is a discharge thing. This is serious. Dr. Stevens is going to discharge you.
Okay.
She says it tortures me.
Previous going to recommend some wonderful treatment
Hi,
programs.
baby.
Go home. Get some help.
You can't just do that.
You just did, my friend.
Okay, are you okay?
Gert, Gert. Oh.
She says it burns.
Hi, baby.
You make it?
What are you doing? Blowing air through the straw?
Uh-huh.
Driving her crazy. She doesn't know what's
Harmless.
happening.
Dr. Stevens, discharge my guy 244.
What happened, Gert? What?
You page me?
I'm gonna be a while. Do you think you could get home sign for the beer?
Why don't you have your boyfriend sign for it?
You have a
What a
very
good
annoying way of
girl.
sneaking up on people.
She's very
Maybe if
good.
you were a little less creepy.
I wouldn't come anyway. I hate big parties.
Is Meredith the only person in this hospital who doesn't know the size of this thing?
I'm telling her.
You can't. She's gone already.
Gertie, Gert.
I think she had.
She said, "Good day, sir.
had errands
You've
for-
tortured me enough."
You don't think Meredith knows mine, honey, right?
I want you to make it very clear to her that I had nothing to do with this party. Nothing.
Oh, I'm sorry I'm late. Just the traffic.
It doesn't matter, dear.
Don't tell her the notary didn't show.
Oh, everybody's here. It's just your mother isn't.
Mom? Mom? What do people want from me? We need you to sign the lawyer's papers.
I have a cranial reconstruction in half an hour. I need to go.
Okay, Mom. We're all here. We have a notary. I need you to focus. And I need you to sign these papers.
Baby doll.
Look at me.
It's an emergency.
Are we torturing?
I don't have time for this.
What are you looking at there, sir? What are you looking at, sir? I see you peeking.
I have a job.
I see you. There it goes.
And I'm here.
Nervous.
Well, you're gonna have to
Nervous
come back
Nelly.
tomorrow when she's lucid.
You know, why did she put this off for so long?
Hi,
And
pretty
why did you
girl.
let her? Doesn't it strike you as slightly irresponsible?
Hi, pretty girl.
What the hell is wrong with you people?
Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, baby.
Gives it a little bite. Try to kill it. She goes, die.
Hi, pretty girl.
Even when she's killing, it's very cute.
Aw. Gertie, Gert.
She goes, I just wanted to die.
Gertie, Gert. What you doing? Where did my little elfin friend go?
Yogi Bear.
He took off. All right, I think I've taken enough of her. Goodbye, sweetheart.
You can never have enough Gert.
Goodbye, sweetheart. Look at me. Look at me and say goodbye. Look at me. There she is. Oh, look at my baby. Goodbye, honey. Goodbye.